Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming system compatibility and freeing sufficient disk space. This prevents install failures. Once done, back up your current Logic projects and custom templates so you can restore quickly if a plugin breaks. Make sure to close Logic Pro and disable third-party audio units to avoid conflicts during the update. If you're on a laptop, plug into power so the update won't pause. Then open the App Store or Settings to locate the Logic Pro 11. Update and start the download. You download the update from the App Store or System Settings and watch the progress so you can respond if permissions are requested. During download and installation, monitor CPU and disk activity because heavy load can slow or stall the process. Pausing other apps helps. When the installer prompts for permission to modify audio frameworks or plugins, allow it. This updates core components. Once installation finishes, restart your Mac if prompted to finalize system-level changes, making sure your audio interface reconnects after installation. You open Logic and verify templates, instruments, and third-party plugins to confirm everything loads correctly. If you experience audio dropouts or missing plugins, rescan audio units in Plugin Manager and restart Logic. This forces revalidation. Should problems persist, reset Logic preferences to clear corrupted settings or revert to your backup while you troubleshoot. Remember why you backed up. Keeping original files and noting plugin compatibility lets you roll back safely if a specific extension isn't yet supported by 11.1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.